how to use Kive AI. So basically, Kive AI is an AI model used mostly by designers, and marketers and different creative teams. So it allows you to create tons and tons of media, and helps you to organize media. So, to use this, just click on get started, and as you can see, you have two options. You can either log in with your Google account or log in with your Apple account. It varies on you. So once you have logged in, you get this interface, all the basic plans. So it's better to explore the AI module first before investing into it. So click on, skip this step, and then you'll get redirected into this section. This is your AI model, yeah. So you can generate images, AI style, AI character. You can generate videos, images, I know. You can use all these kind of templates and tools. So, but to get the full access of everything, you need to pay a certain amount. You need to pay different plans and all. So, like this, and these are the plans: the basic, pro, and then enterprise. So yeah, you guys can check that on. So this is it for how to use Kive AI. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for future videos like this.